Hello and good evening. In today's video, we are going to record as to how to make money on Fiverr with the help of different gigs. You know, interesting, unique gigs on Fiverr with the help of which you can eventually make money. And for this purpose, I know that I have been not uploading for a long time, but I will be uploading more and showing you genuine techniques by the help of which you will be making money. So let's get on to it. Let's see and let's get on to our concept. Let's get on to our, let's get on to our video and see to what extent we can use Fiverr to make money and see some new gigs. And I will also be sharing some secret courses with you or some open courses using which you will be able to make money from here as well. You will be able to generate earning from here as well. So let's go to Fiverr. Let's go to Google. Let's go here. Let us go here and let us go to incognito and type Fiverr. So let's enter Fiverr. So once we enter here, you will see that there are different gigs. There are popular professional services, Video Explorer, VoiceOver, WordPress, logo. There are different kinds of things. So now let us type something. Let us type the issue of Facebook ads. Let us type Facebook ads. There we go. Facebook ads. And as we are able to see from here, there are 22,077 services available. And as you can see, there are people who have made hundreds and thousands of dollars. For example, I will be your expert in Facebook ads, campaign manager for FB. This person has made more than almost 6,000 or close to almost $7,000 by being a Facebook ads campaign manager. So you can also do the same. What you can do is you can basically become a Facebook campaign ads manager. And by doing that, you will be able to then make money, make a lot of money here. So let us see here. Let us see this guy's portfolio. Let us see this guy, what this guy has done. So later on, I will be showing you, okay, standard 10K, which is 2005 This is his budget. Continue. So this guy has almost 10 orders, and for each order, he starts doing 666. So as you can see over here, this guy has made more than $7,000 from almost zero just by becoming a Facebook ad campaign manager. And this is something that you can do as well. You can also become a Facebook ads campaign manager and go on to make a lot of money from Facebook eventually with the help of this process. Okay, so let's see what services he is giving. He is giving scaling ads in the right way, both FB and Instagram, LinkedIn setup, practices and strategies, more effective brands, dynamic product placement, latest CBO techniques, and many more. Perfect e-commerce and B2B online businesses. So we can see he is giving many services which target these instances. So using which you can easily make money on Facebook or on Fiverr by the service of becoming a Facebook ad campaign manager. Let's go here again. Let's type Facebook business manager. Let's see. So as you can see over here, people are earning thousands and thousands of dollars. For example, one guy has made more than $30,000. I will fix Facebook disabled ad manager and business manager issues. For example, this lady, I will manage your Facebook business page account. This lady is a social media manager, and you can also do the same. You can become a social media manager where you will manage somebody's Facebook account, their Facebook business page, their Facebook campaign strategies, their ad revenue, and everything else. And using this concept, you will be able to make, a very decent amount of money from here. Not just money, but a very decent amount of money. For example, look at her. Look at the money that she is making. She is almost making around, let's calculate 24 orders, and for each order she starts 270. So 24 into 150, how much is that? You are just seeing her income over here. So I'm showing you all the true incomes and everything. Okay, let's see. 24 to she has done 241 into 150. 241 into 150. So let's see. So she has made around $36,000 almost by becoming a Facebook ad campaign manager. And you can do exactly the same. You can become a Facebook ad campaign manager. You can become a Facebook, strategist, a Facebook social media marketing manager, and you can get paid around 30. You can make more than this. This is just less. $36,000. It's a little amount of money. It's not that much. And I will also show you how you can acquire these skills. For example, if you go to Udemy, type in Udemy, type in Udemy. See? So if you go to Udemy and you type in Facebook ads, click on it. And there you go. We have best-selling courses with very minimum amount of payment, Facebook ads and Facebook marketing mastery only for $13. And this is one of the best-selling courses. This is how you can learn, Facebook ads, Facebook marketing, Facebook business strategy. So just for a mere $30, you are $13, sorry, you're getting to learn a skill that's going to make you $36,000 in the future. So just like this, you can also, this is a post-pandemic time where jobs are rare and all the jobs are technical. So you can learn this, and then by utilizing this skill, you can eventually make money online. You can make a lot of money. This can also be your full-time career, and even give you a 6 or 7 figure earning. And you can do this, trust me. There are lots and lots of courses like this. Let's see. Lots and lots of courses. So you can easily make money on Fiverr by becoming a Facebook ads manager or Facebook strategist. And you can learn these courses from Udemy. So I'll bring on more videos, you know, in the front. I was ill, so I couldn't do that much. But now I'm going to bring regular videos. Thank you.